So we just finished cleaning up our house and I wanted to do a quick little walkthrough because I did this with our first apartment and I wanted to do a first house one. So we're just gonna walk through the rooms really quick and then I'll put pictures in of what it looked like before. But yeah, so I'm a little bit out of breath because we've been cleaning like crazy. We're on a time crunch. So this is our room. It's all cleaned out. The only thing that we did in this room, which I'm not a huge fan of, I'll be honest, is we painted this wall like a purple, which if I could go back, I would. In this bathroom, we did the new lights. And then we redid the countertops. They used to be like a painted like camo print. And then we redid the cabinets as well. And then that used to be a sliding glass curtain. We just replaced it with a rod because it just looked kind of really dated that way. Oh, and we got new toilets as well. They used to be really like short. Moving on to our other bathroom. So these lights, they used to be they used to have ducks on them, which is really funny. They used to be glass with ducks on them. I've never seen lights like that before. And then we also repainted that. We redid the countertops and redid that as well. We also got a new toilet and then just, that's all pretty much the same. And then this is Finn's room. We got those curtains from Target and then I redid this mural. I actually have a video on that. And then our laundry room, I'm leaving the little wreath. And then also, the people who purchased our house, they wanted all of the furniture in our living room and our dining room. So we are moving out. We have cleaned everything. It's just that they still want all of that stuff. So we're leaving it and it feels really weird to like leave all your stuff when you're moving out. But so this is on my work room. I didn't really do much in there. That's like I'm leaving paint for them, like touch-up paint. I'll show you the living room. So this is our living room, our couch. So in this room I actually redid that ceiling fan. It used to look just like this one and I just spray painted it and got new glass. We have this really pretty mirror. Those cute shelves we just bought on like a Facebook yard sale site. It's our truck all loaded up. And then I refinished that dresser and they want all of our decor and stuff too. We have to leave our TV. Laundry room. And then this is our dining area. These used to be like a light wood color and I refinished them like a navy blue, which I think looks really pretty in here. Sorry, turn that light on. We got this table and chair set from Amazon and I really like it. I would repurchase it again. Leaving our curtains. And then, see if I can get it to focus. This is our kitchen we redid. We redid the countertops and that light in the corner, the new sink. We painted the cabinets white. So I'm hoping I can get a tutorial soon on how to refinish cabinets because these are so pretty. And it wasn't that hard and they've lasted really well for 2 years. Looks still really good for 2 years old. And then I guess just what's left is the backyard. Show you that really quick. This is our backyard. Those roses are so pretty when it's time for them to bloom, and this is a rose bush too. It was super pretty. our backyard. The grass is totally dead, but so yeah, that's our first home tour. I'm really excited and sad to be leaving, but I'm glad that I recorded it all so I could look back and see what everything looked like. Say hi, hon.
Hi.
Are you sad to be leaving?
Eh.
No, not really.
More happy to be gone, I guess. I mean, onward and upward.
Okay. So that was our first home tour. I'm not even gonna lie, this video is mostly for me so that I can look back on everything. Stuff just happens really fast, and I can't believe that we've already lived here for 2 years and we're already moving, so this is where we brought Finn home, and try not to get emotional, it's fine. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright, I better go because we have to sign papers right now, but I like don't want to leave, it's so weird, and plus all of our stuff's here. Woo! Okay, looks like my husband's telling me that we better go, so okay, bye. Thank you for watching.